you all watching the video. I welcome you all to another episode of Convo with Apricus. Friends, our topic of discussion today is blockchain technology, its applications in healthcare. And to throw light on this topic, we have Dr. Bhupinder Singh with us. Dr. Singh is Associate Professor in Narsee Monjee College, Chandigarh, Punjab, India. Welcome, sir. Welcome to Convo with Apricus. Shall we start the discussion now?
Yes, sure.
So, my first question is, what is blockchain technology?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, earlier we have the safety point of view specifically for your data. So we all are living in this digital world, and how we secure our data, it's really a big question for all of us and concern also. So this blockchain technology is in this IT sector where it's very difficult as well as near to impossible to cheat, to theft, or to change or manipulate the data which is already available on the portal, or you can say on the website or any database. So the purpose of blockchain technology here is to secure your data, whatever the data is available with any institution. In case we are using this, then the privacy will not breach. So basically it's for the security measure, new kind of technique here. Blockchain means the simple blocks are there, the data from one block to another to the third one, and so on. So that it's not only, you can say, one part, it's the division of different parts are there, different blocks are there. So this technology help out to secure the data. So this technology is emerging one and the new one specifically for India as a developing country. And majority of institutions are still using the old kind of techniques for the security of data, like we have the IT Act 2000 and the rules 2005. But with the help of this technology, we help out the public with the security and safety of data, which is intellectual property for all of us.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how is this technology helpful in the field of healthcare?
Yes, ma'am. Specifically for the healthcare, this technology is helpful for each and every sector, whatever the insurance or the, you can say, basically for the service sector. So healthcare is again, it come under the service sector. And when we all are going to hospital, clinic, we provide us our information like what is the name of that particular patient, the age, then blood group, and what kind of disease, whatever may be the communicable or non-communicable disease. So this all information we are providing to the hospital. The hospital maintain it in a soft copy and hard copy. So there's no problem with the hard copy. Hard copy means you destroy anytime or you lock that. Same with the soft copy. When they enter the data, then it is in one database. So with the help of blockchain technology, in case we implementing this technology, then no one cheat, theft, or manipulate your data for any kind of fraud purpose. So basically in healthcare, it's for the patient's safety and for the patient's security of data.
Yes, sir. So, what are the uses of this technology in healthcare, and what are the future prospects of blockchain technology in the field of healthcare?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, one is two questions. One is about this the different use, and second, the future perspective. We can use this. One is about for the safety and security of the patient, as I already told. How we maintain this? One is when as a patient we provide the information to the hospital or to the clinic, they use this technology so that the data is secure with the hospital or with the person, or you can say the patient. Later on, in case there's no use, then they may destroy or simply delete their data. But in case they wish to maintain, for example, the patient history, maybe from last 1 year, 2 year, or 5 year, it's with the one institution or the hospital. What are the changes? What about the family member, the dependent belong to that patient? So all the information with one system only. So with the help of this technology, different uses. One is about the privacy. Second is about no any kind of manipulation. Third is the elimination of any chance of fraud also. Fraud specifically for the, you can say, the financial aspect only. Why? Because of your name is there, your age, your mobile number is there. Every information we are providing to the institution, specifically to the healthcare sector. So this is about the multiple use of this blockchain technology. And secondly, the future perspective is also really, you can say, enlightened nature, where in case everywhere the use of this technology, that it help out not only to the health sector, but also to the other sector to go with the safety and security of different features belong to this blockchain technology, so that they eliminate any chance of data which may be misused further for any kind of misrepresentation, any kind of fraud, or any kind of different kind of violations of rules and regulations.
So, are there any chances of loopholes in this technology?
Ma'am, no, very, you can say the study belong to this blockchain technology very minutely, where they eliminate any kind of chance which may hack or theft the data after the use of this blockchain technology. So chances are nil, near to nil, or you can say 0.01% chance may be there in future, but till date, it is properly secure, and no any kind of chance to how to deal with this, to break that system, break that chain or the block, and then enter into the data, or you can say the system. Because the information technology act we have, and multiple provisions for the safety of consumer, safety of the general public, the data. But with the help of this technology, in case we implement, or we are implementing different sector, then there's no any kind of chance to eliminate this and then access the data which is available with the computer system or with any device.
So, in comparison to developed countries, how can developing countries or underdeveloped countries take advantage of this technology?
In, it's applicable everywhere, but yes, the cost efficiency is less as compared to the other technique. But more or less, for the developing or underdeveloped country, in case they are using this, then they eliminate the chance of this kind of financial fraud, then it is equivalent to that part. For example, now we are not using this. This is the one side, and there may be a chance of fraud, misrepresentation, and the hacking. Then it also, again, there's a cost which is for the consumer to go with this the complaint, and then the recovery of the amount which is already taken from the bank, or maybe the financial fraud. But on the other hand, the second side here is, in case we are using whatever, up to what extent the institutions are using that, then it helpful not to go with these kind of incidences which may happen in future. So almost you can say the cost is same once we are not using and then we are using. But in case we are using with this, then yes, the chances for each and every kind of this fraud and financial misregulations will not be there. So ultimately, it will be beneficial side as compared to when we're talking about the cost effective or the implementation part of this specific technology for each and every sector, and specifically yes, for the healthcare infrastructure and sector where the use is more. Why use is more? Because of the chances as well as the manipulations in this technology is less, and the hospitals where we all are aware, yes, the cost is very high for the treatment of any kind of disease. So that's why the helpful for all the countries, whatever the developing or underdeveloped country like India, we are developing stage, and we done lot of improvement in this IT sector. And hopefully, with the help of this blockchain technology, we will enhance the security and provide the better outcome to all the public with this.
Thank you, sir. And sir, one more question. Sir, what are the career prospects of blockchain technology? What will be your advice to students, professionals, or researchers in this area?
Yes, ma'am. With the help of this blockchain technology, the new emerging area is the Internet of Things, IoT. So IoT, blockchain technology, and third one is the cloud computing. These all are the emerging area, and it's not only limited to the IT sector, but also the law. This law is everywhere. So blockchain and law, IoT and law, and this the cloud computing. So all these are the areas where the research need to be done more research paper, the publication, presentation, the conferences on the same topic. Basically, it's for the awareness purpose, so that the people should aware, the organization should aware about the same, so that they implement this, and after implementation, the advantages will be for all the general public. So all are, you can say, it's like a chain where we started from this the subject specific, then the research part, publication part, and then the presentation part. So all these things from legal and social point of view for the awareness, so that the implementation is in speedier mode as compared to the normal mode. So that as soon as possible, we secure ourselves specifically for the data, which is, you can say, the data nowadays is big demand because the artificial intelligence specifically working on the data. In case you're scrolling something, after 2 minutes you find it out, the same link on your social media, same link on your email. So all these things because of artificial intelligence. So that's why we require the safety and security of data, and all these things will be possible in case we are going with this blockchain technology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a wonderful insight into the field. And I hope our audience will get benefited from the information. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Thank you.
much.